Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Auberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you understand how you can make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir closed up 32 cents, closed at 18.53. And post-market, we are down by 1 cent. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart first. So on the chart, we have a long wick at the bottom here. Some buying pressure was pushing the stock up here. So that's pretty good. We have a small green candle. We are still underneath this middle of the channel resistance. We have been into this downward channel, and this is the downward resistance, the middle channel resistance. And we have been staying under that resistance since December 1st. We have a hard time breaking that little line. We come close to it, but we never break it. So we have not broke it today. Yeah, so until we break this, the stock is going nowhere. Then we have a resistance at 1910 and we have a resistance at 2010. Before that, the stock is effectively into this congestion zone. So the stock is going nowhere. So until it breaks 2010, there is not much to do here unless, of course, you can sell some covered calls or some puts, whatever you want to do. Let's go see the 1 hour chart for fun. So where's the first hour? Okay, the first hour of the day was pretty intense. Look at the volume here, nice volume, and a lot of volatility because we came as low as 1786. Very super close to our support, which is at 1782. So we have been 4 cents away from our support. So this is telling us that our support is a good support because the stock is really using that to prevent itself from going lower. And we went also quite high. So we went as high as 1856. And then we came down. And the last 3 hours look quite strong, I have to say. We have nice green candles. And on this last candle here of the day, we have a longer wick at the bottom and no wick at the top at all. And stochastic is looking like it wants to come back to over 60. So this might be a good news. So this might be an indication that we at least want to try to reach 1910 again. Aside from that, RSI over 50, that's a nice sign. MACD crossed over bullish. That's another nice sign. Maybe things are turning around. Let's not get too excited, but there's some movement here on the 1 hour chart. This might not last, but at least it's there on the 1 hour chart. For the daily chart in terms of indicators, so stochastic at 30, RSI under 50. Still, MACD told us that it's breakover bullish, but MACD can tell us that far in advance. So we should not get too excited because of that. And DMI is still telling us that this is bearish because the red line is over the green line. Let's just be patient again. And let me try something. I have received some comments from you guys telling me you should do technical analysis for another stock, blah, blah, blah. So here's your chance. Tell me in the comments section below which other stock should I do technical analysis on. And I'm going to pick one stock from the ones that you are putting in the comments. I pick the stock you choose that I think is the most interesting. And I'll do an extra video tomorrow. So I'll do 3 videos, Tesla, Palantir, and this new stock that you are going to suggest to me. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. If you like what I do, you can also become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.